Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to connect your Marshall Emberton II speaker to your iPhone. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more helpful videos. So, step number first, we need to turn it on. To do this, we need to find this gold button and press it for like 3 seconds till we see the indicator light up red. And we will hear the voice sound. As you can see, right here on the right side we can see the percentage scale of the battery. Now we need to connect it to our phone. To do this, we need to press on this button for about 5 seconds till we see that this red indicator starts blinking. Now we need to go to the settings on our phone and find the parameter Bluetooth. We need to turn it on. And then in the list find Emberton II. Press on it. And that's all. Now our speaker is connected to our phone. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.